Welcome to CES 2019. This is a place where companies come to show off their new technologies and also the weirdest tech, sometimes years before they're actually going to be on the market. This is the third year that I've come to CES. This place is massive. Let's do this. One of the most annoying things as a dad is cleaning your windows. This company called Hoba has actually found a way to solve that problem. This is the window cleaning robot. If you pull on it, it actually stays on there pretty good. You do have to have it plugged in. There is an internal battery, but the internal battery is only for if it loses power. It'll continue to maintain suction for about 20 minutes, and then it's just gonna fall. This won a CES Innovations Award for this year. So, one of the best innovations of 2019 at CES. It's a strange one, but I like it because I'm pretty lazy. I don't wanna wash my windows, I want a robot to wash my windows. This one fits in the cool and weird category. Have you ever been in a bunch of traffic and you're like, man, this is so annoying, I wish I could just fly over the traffic? Well, this company, Hoversurf, invented something for that, and the Dubai police is actually testing and using this in Dubai to fly over traffic. All right, this is Joseph. He's the Chief Operating Officer and well-versed in this entire Hoversurf.
Yes.
Okay, so were people actually able to fly with this thing?
Yes, this is a fully functional hover bike. It's being used right now in Dubai. So this is actually the Dubai Police Department's bike. So we built this for them. Right now we're setting up a training program so they can learn how to use it, learn how to service it, things like that. And they'll actually start using it in the next couple of years here.
This is like something out of Star Wars. Like
definitely.
You would just like fly over the land. Is it made out of carbon fiber, the whole thing?
Yeah, so the full body's made out of carbon fiber. The propellers are made out of carbon fiber.
How heavy is this?
255 pounds. In the United States, this is an ultralight aircraft, which means you don't need a pilot's license or certification to fly in the United States.
My gosh.
But you have to take our training course.
So the real question is, can I get on it and can I get the propeller spinning a little bit?
Yeah, I think we can do that for you.
Okay. All right.
You ready?
I think so.
Put your feet on the pegs there. The way it works is you put your forearms down in here.
Okay.
You hold the controls like this. All right, ready?
Okay, we're spinning.
Yeah, you can just slightly move it around.
Okay, they said if I pull the button too hard, I will literally fly 15 feet in the air.
Yeah.
Check this out. When I pull this button right here, it actually will make it go stronger or less strong. But if you let go of this button right here, we would literally go up about 15 feet pretty quickly.
You can hit the ceiling in 4 seconds.
4 seconds we would hit the ceiling. All right, and then here's the kill switch right here. Boom. Killed it. That is really cool. Someday, Joseph.
Yeah.
Someday you need to get us to Dubai so we can actually fly up in the air.
Dubai or San Jose, Moscow.
San Jose or Moscow, any of those. I'll go to any of them.
You call us, we'll bring it.
You heard it first.
But I do want to ride in your new Roadster. That I do.
Deal. Also at CES, you never know when a drone army is going to take off and perform a show for you. This is a mini drone army with lights. I've seen it at different sporting events before. The most famous one is the one with Lady Gaga, where she like jumped off awkwardly off the Super Bowl thing. This is CES. You just see awesome weird stuff. After braving the crowds for a few hours, it's nice to go to a booth that is quiet and peaceful and feels like home. This is the Dolby booth that has Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Dimensions, and thank you Dolby for sponsoring this video and bringing me out to CES. I want to show you a few things that Dolby has in their booth that will take your viewing experience, whether it's video games, movies, TV shows, or just simply audio and music, to a next level. 2018, you guys probably saw a lot of movies. Well, out of the top 10 movies, 9 out of the 10 use Dolby Vision or Dolby Atmos or both in them. This is a TV made by TCL. They're big in China. I think they're the 3rd largest TV manufacturer in the world. So let's see how good Dolby Vision and Atmos is. So right now I'm watching this surfing show. If you were here, you would hear the sound and you would see the vision in the way that it's meant to be displayed. The colors are more vibrant and rich. The blacks are deeper, and the sound, you can almost feel it. And it's pretty impressive that this is coming from the TV without an additional sound bar, without a home sound system. I can tell you, it looks good. Something really good about the future of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos is each year there's more and more content being formatted in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. There are also more devices that are adopting to the technology. More services like Netflix are adding Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos to their libraries. If you are in the market for a new entertainment system, make sure it's Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos enabled. Click the link in the description to learn more. I'm gonna make a bigger video on our family channel that shows you in depth this entire booth. There's also lots of drinks at places like this. It's always a positive when you can get into a nice booth and stay hydrated. Time for me to leave the peaceful Dolby booth and go back to the madness in the convention center. I'm about to show you something that's gonna blow your mind in the tech space. Get ready. Here is a $15,000 massage chair. It's a limited edition that they're only making 2,000 of them. This is the ultimate massage chair made by Dreamwave. And the designer that designed this chair is the same designer that has designed some of the Ferrari models. I think I need to get in this thing. It's soft. Okay. Feels a bit weird, especially on a floor with all these people. All right, I'm getting strapped in. I feel like I need a seatbelt. You take your arms and slide them into here by CES or Disneyland. Oh, there we go. They're bigger rollers and they feel softer than your usual ones. And then also it's stretched out, like it got longer as it laid down, which is good because I'm 6'2" and it feels comfortable. Like I feel like I'm almost laying down. Oh my gosh. Right now it's grabbing my feet and my behind. It's so weird how it just grabs your arm and squeezes it. They were literally scanning my body to see my size and the different spots so it could make like a customized massage based off of my body type and my body size. I'm afraid if I stay here too much longer, I will get nothing done the rest of the day. Gosh. Most Americans don't know what they're missing when it comes to the bathroom. Japanese people, they get it. We were there for spring break for a week and we were enlightened. We're actually building a new house in the next few months. One essential thing that we're going to have in every bathroom is a smart toilet. If you haven't tried it, don't knock it. They're actually pretty incredible. You walk up to it, it opens for you. The seats can be warmed up for you. There can be different levels of bidets that are built in. There's a deodorizer that's inside of the toilet that keeps the stink out. There's a lot of benefits. This is the smartest toilet I've seen. Not only does it have all of the bidet functions that you would come to expect from like a Japanese toilet, but this toilet specifically won an award for top tech in the smart home area. It's a toilet that you can talk to. This toilet has Amazon Alexa built into it. Have you ever been sitting on the toilet and you've wanted to listen to some music? It has speakers. You can ask it to play certain types of music and then lights will go up. It's like ambient lights that sets the mood inside of the bathroom. It'll take some getting used to think about having a mic built into the toilet that it's always listening to you. I just feel bad for that toilet. A friend in the bathroom. I don't know if these things that I've showed you are the things that every tech channel is gonna show you, but these are the things that I like. We've seen some cool things today. I've ridden on a hover motorcycle, but now we're about to get in the future of self-driving, hover, flying helicopter thingies. Don't even know exactly what to call it. Welcome to the Bell helicopter hover drone thing. We're gonna be able to go inside of it in a second and check it out and see what it looks like on the inside. Bell is partnered with Uber to hopefully make this thing a reality. Elon Musk on Joe Rogan's podcast talked about flying helicopters or flying cars and how they weren't really viable because of the loud noise that they would make. That's why he prefers tunnels. It's quiet. Do you agree with that?
I didn't hear a word you said, but that probably sounds great.
He totally agrees with me.
Yeah.
This is very futuristic. I would love to, I don't think I would want to fly this thing. I would definitely crash.
It's like something straight out of the Avengers.
Yes,
Awesome.
it is.
We need our Avengers suits.
It's definitely a concept, but that is cool.
One thing I think is interesting is that there's just like random screws hanging out everywhere, like the straight Phillips head screw you can find at like Home Depot. This bar right here is like what you would see on a closet door. So it's like they built this with some hardware from Home Depot, which is kind of cool.
This one shows the GPS map right here. Here's your altitude here, the battery and the engine management. And then this is just a beautiful image, video camera of what's happening outside if we were flying. right, there's your drone, helicopter, Uber, I don't know what you even call it, and I just hit my head on propeller. Can you imagine? That thing is moving. There it is, carbon fiber propeller right there. And then this giant heavy thing. Danger, keep clear.
This is automotive body panel trim. You can just buy it like in automotive parts and just like wrap it around the bottom edge of this. It's cool how they put it together.
I like that you notice all of these little things. Nobody else notices it.
I mean, it looks cool when it's finished.
So yeah, that's what you get with a concept vehicle or concept thing. A lot of stuff you see at CES is more of a concept. When it comes out on the market, it'll look a bit differently. So that's it from CES. Thank you, Dolby, for sending me out here and making this video even possible. And let me know in the comments what things you guys liked at CES. And would you like me to come back in 2020 and show you the weird things that I think are cool? Because I'm totally down to do it. I just feel bad for that toilet, that it's always listening to you all the time. That's probably a place where you probably don't need a mic.